space dedicated to emotional healing through meditation. We are delighted to have you here today. In this special opportunity, we would like to share a unique guided meditation designed specifically to help you navigate difficult emotions and promote emotional healing. It's a transformative experience that we invite you to embark upon. Before we begin, we suggest finding a quiet place where you can feel safe and comfortable. Take a few moments to settle in, allowing your body and mind to calm down. Now, gently close your eyes and start tuning into your breath. Observe the air entering and leaving, feeling it bring a deep sense of tranquility and serenity to your entire being. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey of exploration and acceptance of your difficult emotions. With compassion and unconditional love, we will take the first steps towards emotional healing. It is important to remember that accepting these emotions is crucial to our healing journey. At this moment, I invite you to connect with the sensation of a safe and nurturing internal space. Visualize yourself in a place of profound peace, a location where you can explore your difficult emotions with gentleness and release them softly. As these emotions arise, observe them without judgment. Allow each one to manifest as a bright color, representing your unique energy. Feel free to experience these emotions, fully embracing them, knowing that they are an essential part of your healing journey. Now, imagine yourself gently holding each of these difficult emotions in the palms of your hands, feeling their weight. Gradually, visualize yourself releasing them to the universe, letting them go with love and compassion. As you release them, feel a profound relief filling your entire being, bringing a sense of lightness and inner peace. As the difficult emotions dissipate, allow yourself to be enveloped in a gentle and soothing light. Visualize this light penetrating every part of your being, promoting emotional healing and restoring deep inner balance. Feel yourself being filled with this loving, nurturing, and transformative light. Now, direct your attention towards cultivating love and self-care. Visualize yourself surrounded by a radiant aura of love and compassion. Allow yourself to nourish with kind and encouraging words, recognizing the importance of self-love in this process of emotional healing. Know that you deserve to take care of yourself and that you are capable of developing a healthy, loving relationship with yourself. In this state of love and self-care, imagine embracing the inner child within you. Offer comfort, security, and profound love, conveying a sense of healing and emotional liberation. As this guided meditation comes to an end, we invite you to take a moment to express gratitude for this experience of emotional healing. Be present in the present moment, allowing gratitude to fill your heart, radiating peace and serenity within you. We thank you for joining us on this journey of emotional healing. Remember that you have the ability to confront and transform your difficult emotions. Continue practicing meditation and self-care, nourishing yourself daily. We look forward to seeing you again soon, sharing more moments of peace and serenity on your path of self-healing. If this guided meditation for emotional healing touched your heart, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Share this video with those who may benefit, spreading love and healing throughout the world. Take care and be present in every step of your self-healing journey. Until next time.